Des jeunes filles, ça fait longtemps, et je viens d'y retourner pour la première fois en Haïti en tant que copine afro-américaine. Nous disons que nous regardons et nous avons dit que de l'autre côté, que moi, je que ce soit Haïti ou n'importe côté de Taïa, nous avons toujours dans le pays Haïti. Nous avons dit que nous avons merci et nous prions de vous. Mesdames et messieurs, Airlines.
I wasn't expecting anything. Honestly, I was going on the flight. I was hoping the captain would let me fly the leg. I came on and I asked, and he said, sure, why not? And then I asked him if it was okay if I made an announcement. And I just thought the people in the plane would see it, and that would be it.
It exploded, Tara.
Before I even landed, I know. One of my flight attendants videotaped me from the galley, and she posted it on her Twitter, I think. And before I landed, my phone was off, so I didn't know anything was going on. So before I landed, it exploded. And then, everybody was congratulating me and then wanting to take pictures and stuff like that. So it was nice. It was nice to be received that way.
Yeah.
And it was good to go home. It was the first time. It was something, even when I was applying for the job, when I did my interview, I told them that was the goal,
that doesn't mean you're quitting now, right?
No, because I want to go back as captain, and I'd like to go back with my family on the flight.